Hi guys, thank you so much for subscribing this YouTube channel Air Taxis eVTOL. And this is Murari and I am posting a lot of content around air taxis eVTOL like electric vertical takeoff and landing. That is the future. You have heard that a lot of shift from petrol diesel cars to electric vehicles has become a trend. Everyone is going after buying electric vehicles. Then why not going into the sky with electric vehicles? So the new concept, which is eVTOL, electric machines which will be flying for daily commute, and we are calling them eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing machines, air taxis, which will be mostly an electric machine using multiple motors to give it necessary thrust and power to fly. Definitely it will have multiple advantages over piston helicopter, because in helicopter it has only one rotor and the wingtail rotor gives the balance or the direction to the helicopter. But helicopter is a bit riskier. If one nut goes out of the function, it will be like a disaster, or it will go out of function and disaster may happen or something bad may happen because it is riskier. Definitely as of now it is working fine, but with some extra care. What about eVTOL, air taxis? Air taxis will have a very important differentiator, that is DEP, distributed electric propulsion. Distributed electric propulsion, suppose if one motor or one engine fails, the other motors connected with the same functionality or with the same air taxi will distribute the power and give you a safe landing. You are on the safe side. If you are interested, if you are really excited about air taxis, welcome to our YouTube channel. So let's begin. Chapter 1. What is eVTOL? So now, what do you understand by eVTOL? Air taxis, which are believed to be widely accepted machines, electric machines for daily commute. Right now, a lot of people are suffering from traffic on the road in major cities for their daily commute from their house to offices to airport. It is taking hours, 3, 4, 5, even sometimes half of the day in the traffic. And there is no alternative as of now, because either you can shift, or like you are leaving your house too early to reach office 2 or 3 hours earlier, or you are stuck in the traffic. Now, this problem is real, and there should be a solution for this problem, which is like a magic. And air taxis does the wonder. Air taxi do the wonder. You have already heard about companies like Joby Aviation, Archer Aviation, Sarla Aviation, eHang, Lilium, and many more startups which are working very hard to give you that experience of flying for daily commute. The distance that you're covering today in the traffic, like spending hours and just to reach office, that can be covered in just 10 minutes. Yes, in just 10 minutes you will be able to reach your office, airport within 10-15 minutes. Now, what magic is behind this? So the real technology behind this is electric vehicles which will have multiple motors. They will be like a drone, capable enough to lift and transport humans, at least 4, 5, 6 humans at the same time and can give you a flight from one place to another in few minutes. Definitely, these eVTOLs will be short range machines, flying cars. Not for long range. Definitely, there are some long range vehicles under production, but in the beginning, there are challenges of like power supply, motors, and their capabilities. So, what is stopping them is battery capacity, solid state batteries, which will be powering these DEPs, multiple distributed electric propulsions. These motors will be acting as engines. And since it is distributed, so you will have far more safer flight experience than helicopter and piston operated machines. Example, helicopter. So now, number one, distribution of power. Number two, batteries. And number three, they can these air taxis can take off and land vertically. So it will be very convenient for daily commute from major cities. You will not require long runways where flight has to run before they take off and run again when they land. So this major problem is removed by using vertical takeoff and landing. And definitely you are right. Then when these vertical takeoff and landing happens, a lot of thrust is required. That means these machines will be capable to generate that much thrust. And I'll give you a simple example, a simple understanding that hovering and takeoff and landing consumes a lot of battery power. But during the flight, it requires less energy. So this is a wonder. This is a beautiful experiment. This is a beautiful technology which is developed so far that even from the top of malls, top of stations, top of airports, these machines, eVTOLs, can take off, give you a safe flight experience to your house, and then at those infrastructures which we call vertiports, these machines, eVTOLs, can recharge. Within 30 minutes or 45 minutes, they can be ready again for the next flight. So are you really excited about these eVTOLs, electric vertical takeoff and landing machines, which will be giving you experience for daily commute, beating the traffic on the ground, on the roads, saving you a lot of hours and frustration of traffic? How excited are you about air taxis in your city? Let me know in the comment and we can discuss it in our next video. And subscribe if you are new to this channel, because we are working to understand air taxis, its technology, and sharing with you our experiences. See you in the next video. Thank you for joining, and here we will be posting a lot more content around the future, present, and the past of air taxis.